Oh yeah. Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna be showing off my keyboard. I bought it. I'm pretty sure it was like a month ago, maybe later, but who knows? Actually, not later. I got it this year, probably January. It's a Casio CTK 2300. It's really good. Yeah. It has a battery compartment. Bruh. It has a battery compartment right over here, and I tested it out, and it's pretty good. But one little thing, I will tell you something that probably will never make you want to use the batteries. Whenever it runs out, you're going to have to use this thing. This is a charging cable for it. It has, let's see, it has like 4 octaves, 4 or 5 octaves, I don't know, probably 5, 4 or 5 octaves, I don't know. Basically, you plug in the thing here, you plug in the charger into the outlet, then you plug your thing in. Is it long enough? I don't think it's long enough. I'll just toss it all the way over here. But yeah, then you plug it into, see that little dot right there? The dot right about here. That is where you plug it in. I'm going to have to move my thing a little bit upwards so I can plug it in and show you. Oh wait, turns out this is actually where you're supposed to put it. This area, right over here. This is the area where you put it. DC 9.5 volts. So, yeah. Now, I bought this freaking beauty on OfferUp. How many dollars was it? It was $20, but really I think it should have been $200. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful and I freaking love it. Okay, sorry about that. Now, as you know, I animate for this object show. It's called Battle for Fun Valley. An animated series where a bunch of contestants compete for like a bunch of money. But yeah, it has no composer. And I really want BFV to get on TV when we're probably a little bit older. But then again, you don't see any television shows using Kevin MacLeod or NCS. Whatever. Yeah. So I was like, how about I don't know. How about I compose music for it? And it all started when I was at my grandfather's house. He has a synthesizer, so I decided to try playing. The first song I ever played was Linus and Lucy. Or it might have been Happy Birthday, I don't know. But let me tell you, from then on, I was destined to get a piano. I tried out every, free piano app. There might be hyperbole or something, but I tried out a lot. And I settled on GarageBand, but it just didn't feel right. Yes, these are batteries I used. Duracell and Energizer. Slide these off to the side. It's plugged in. Close the battery compartment. Wait, is it the wrong one? I'm not really that good at plugging in stuff like this, but got it. Oh, right, I had this one little left there, so battery. Now sometimes it doesn't work, mainly because of some reasons. Sometimes I don't know the reasons why. It has a bunch of things built in with it. It's a lot of, well, things on it. It has a drum set. Oh, finally it worked. Yeah. Let's test it out. Bruh. Wait. Keep in mind I'm not a professional pianist, but yeah. The drum set it comes with, it's pretty nice and versatile. Wait.
5.
Wait, this is a funny thing. Bruh. Sometimes it just stops, but other than that, it's a wonderful piano. Maybe it's kind of old. I don't know. Maybe if I put in the batteries. Okay, let's just put this back in. Ta-da! Let's try and make this work again. Okay, you know what, Casio keyboard? This is really annoying. But yeah, that's my review of the CTK 230 Casio keyboard. Yeah, like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. I have a goal to reach 50 subscribers by at least the end of this month, and maybe even 100 or 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So, bye.